The Little Bird. Once upon a time, there was a small bird who lived in a forest. One day, a terrible fire broke out in the forest, and all the animals started running away, trying to save themselves. The little bird, however, would not bear to see her home and the homes of other animals burning down. Determined to help, she flew to a nearby river, picked up a few drops of water in her tiny beak, and flew back to drop the water over the fire. She kept repeating this again and again. The other animals laughed at her efforts, saying her small drops of water would do nothing to stop the fire. The little bird responded, "I am doing what I can." Seeing her dedication, other animals started joining her. Soon, the combined efforts of the animals brought down the fire. Thought they were small together, they made a big difference. The story reminds us that even the smallest effort can make a difference, and by working together, we can achieve great things. Dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed the story, The Little Bird. If you found it inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more stories like this. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more valuable content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts on the story in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you felt about the message of small efforts can bring big difference when we work together.